The machinery industry is leader among Taiwan's exports. Taichung is the heart of the machinery industry and pulsates with vibrancy of Taiwan's industry. This place also continues to prove to the world the significance of Taiwan's machinery industry.
We probably cannot find an industrial zone better than Taiwan. In the greater Taichung metropolitan area, almost all key components can be found in a relatively small area. In other words, when you dispatch a truck for a purchase trip, you can buy almost all the key components you need within a 30-kilometer radius.
Looking back on the history of our development, we see that Taiwan doesn't have a very strong industrial base to support or purchase products from Taiwan's machine tool industry. From very early on, Taiwan's machine tool industry has been trying to fulfill user needs in different industrial sectors. Under such constraints, our industry was led to develop specific machines with specific capabilities.
According to the data from the Ministry of Finance, in 2012, Taiwan's total export in machinery is $20.1 billion. Of that figure, over $4.2 billion came from the export of machinery tools. This number is greater than that of Italy, sending Taiwan to third place in the world. The performance and cost of Taiwan's machinery have been favored by foreign companies and remain as a strong performer in Taiwan's foreign trade. Export markets include mainland China, the US, and Japan. Export to these countries account for half of all machinery export for the year.
Machine tools are the most important industrial sector. We also have components in other industrial machines. We have quite a few machinery products that are leaders in the world. This is a fact recognized throughout the world. We offer products with high performance cost ratio. Everybody thinks that Taiwanese products are good bargains.
In terms of precision, Taiwanese machines rank in the upper half of the world. Taiwanese machine tools are very competitive in the world right now.
Taiwan's machinery industry established its foundation from the days after World War II and grew steadily, and the industry cluster in central Taiwan was formed. It is a Taiwanese feature that is popular throughout the world. From components to whole machines, Taiwan's machinery industry prides itself on refined manufacturing processes and innovative designs. It has a competitive edge in the world. As the saying goes, machines are the mother of industry. We may infer that machine tools are mothers of machines. Without machinery tools, Taiwan could not have achieved its brilliant success in this industry. Before a machine tool is assembled, components large and small have to be sourced and gathered. Each one is responsible for the function of the product. Even a roller plays a critical role. A roller can not only become part of the bearing, but also become a Taiwan Excellence product and substantiate the advertising catchphrase of Taiwan Excellence products are what your heart longs for.
A bearing looks simple. When you disassemble it, it is just a combination of the inner ring, outer ring, roller elements, and retainer. Just 4 components. It looks simple indeed. However, through the course of manufacturing, we have to comply with the specification to assemble all these parts because bearings are main components. As a result, through all these various manufacturing processes, we have to maintain a production model with high reliability and high product qualification ratio.
In terms of quality assurance, we are highly automated. More importantly, our production model is completely self-sufficient from receiving the raw material to manufacturing to shipping. In the whole production process of bearings, after we receive orders from customers, we can respond quickly and reduce the duration of turnaround time.
In China, workers of a plastic and rubber machinery plant are assembling the components in their hands. They are tightening the bolts and installing the wires. In the end, they'll create a 3-story high product. When we come face to face with such a large machine, we have to think about the input of the team of workers behind it.
From the viewpoint of customers, we are highly cooperative and more accepting of customized machines because we have accumulated years of experience in terms of technology. We can enter into a cooperative project to work with customers for specifications that generally cannot be met. We offer customized machines because such products better meet the needs of customers.
The plastic and rubber machinery industry is a representative machinery industry second only to the machine tool industry. As key technologies are controlled by overseas suppliers, Taiwanese firms are finding their own niches through technological cooperation.
In the past, we have cooperated with Dow Chemical Company in other exhibitions and cooperation projects. They happen to be planning for a new product launch in Asia. Their specifications cannot be met by ordinary technology. Therefore, Dow Chemical provided us with the raw material and formula. Actually, not just raw material. In a conceptual framework from the very beginning, we had been expecting revolutionary designs for this machine, including appearance, aesthetics, and powertrain.
Technological cooperation with Japan, Europe, and the US can lower costs for our partners. For us, we can improve our technological proficiency and produce more refined products.
Taiwanese firms have new tools to join the competition, whether in the components or machine tools market. With new modes of thinking, utilizing new material and creating differentiated products are going to produce positive outcome in terms of marketing or energy efficiency. Taiwanese firms incorporate environmental friendly ideas into the production processes and even the factory buildings themselves.
After reviewing energy savings and carbon dioxide reduction and performing environmental upgrade at the production facility, we have reduced 17% of carbon dioxide emission per unit of revenue in the production process in the past 4 years. We use the design concept overseas as our reference and integrate multiple machines as one set of equipment. This change is in compliance with environmental concerns, such as the complete recycling and repurposing of production waste.
In recent years, as the European economy has stalled and global demand decreases, the export figures of machine tools have been negatively affected. However, Taiwan's machinery industry doesn't take a break from its pursuit of perfection.
For the long-term operation of a company, we need R&D, brand, and channels. We need to take these 3 issues as our goal of long-term development.
In terms of our company's operations and development, we need to think hard and find a new product to replace existing one.
Our lives are closely tied to the machines, as Taiwan's machines are sold throughout the world. These machines have enriched the lives of many people in the world.
Creating higher added value is the path we must take. The manufacturing industry has to become more service-oriented and also technology-oriented. There are many emerging technologies, including information and communication technology and ICT industries. They can be more and more helpful to the machine tool industry.
We don't compete with price. While cooperating with customers, we take such opportunities as motivations that spur us to develop new products. Our market cannot only be in Taiwan. I think the TPI brand has to have a worldwide scope, like the Intel Inside logo in the computer industry. I hope we can create a TPI Inside logo that represents our products in the machinery industry. That's my hope. This is what we should be working on in the future. All users with different needs can find the machine tools that they need from Taiwan's machine tool industry. Whether comparing from the price or performance standpoint, you can find the optimal solution in Taiwan.
High performance, price, ratio, and good value for money are just 2 reasons why Taiwanese products are trusted by overseas manufacturers. There's much more than that. From the most basic components of machines, the superiority of Taiwanese products has gained a head start. Taiwanese firms not only make products, they make the best products. As the machinery industry seek ever higher added value and manufacture products with increasing levels of refinement, this industry keeps Taiwan's machines running all over the world.